I'm Darlene. Nice to see you again.
Hi, I'm Asuka. Nice to see you too.
Asuka Sensei, how are you?
I'm excellent.
Okay.
Darlene Sensei, how are you?
I'm feeling fabulous. Alright, let's get started. Today we're going to introduce E and F. Wow, what's this?
I'm egg.
Egg? Wow!
Now listen carefully. Egg, elephant, ate. One more time. Egg, elephant, ate.
What's my beginning sound?
Let's think. Yes, my name is E. E said Now repeat after me. Egg. Elephant. Eight. Great job.
Excellent. Now my turn. Listen carefully. Fan. Fish. Frog. Now one more time. Fan. Fish. Frog. What's my beginning sound? Let's think. Bingo! Yes! My name is F. And F says Do you want to try?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Who? No. Okay, look. You want to try one more time?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes. Now repeat after. Fan. Fish. Frog. Wonderful. Look. What is it? It's an egg. Egg. What's there? What's there? It's a baby chicken. How cute is that?
How cute.
Asuka Sensei.
Darlene Sensei. Ta-da!
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Yummy!
Yummy! Yum, 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 yum!
That was fantastic. Now review time. Repeat after us, please.
E said elephant.
Eight. Okay, now my turn. F says great. Fan. Fish. Frog.
Excellent!
Fantastic. That's all for today. Next time, we're going to introduce G and H. Stay tuned.
お楽しみに
We are from Higashikagawa City. If you like this video, please give us a thumb up and share with your friends and family.
東かがわ市からお届けしました。
Thank you. Bye.